Good morning, students. To stay safe, stay at home. Today I am Priyanka Kumari going to teach you mathematics, and the first chapter is large numbers. And the topic I am going to teach you is place value system. Okay? So let's start the chapter by introduction. Okay? In this chapter, we will study about place value system, two types of place value system, Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay students, and expanded form, short form, ascending order, descending order, and many topics are there including in this chapter. We will continue this chapter in upcoming videos also. This is your introduction video. So I am going to introduce this chapter, and this chapter is called large number. Okay children, now before we will start the chapter, if I'll ask you what is the strength of your class, so you know about the number, you can easily tell that the strength of my class is 30, or if your class strength is 35, you will tell 35 according to your class strength. If I will ask you how many fingers in your hand, so you can easily tell, ma'am, there are 5 fingers in my hand. But what is the population of your country? Now how you will tell? At this stage you will get problem. Students, in this chapter we'll study about place value, after that place value chart, place value chart, that is, first one is Indian place value chart, Indian place value chart, and second one is international place value chart. International place value chart. Okay, in this video we will include only this two topic, that is what first is what place value and the second one is what place value chart. Okay, so let's start. If I'll ask you what is place value, so what you will tell? Place value. What is place value? A value where digit in the number. What is place value? The value where the digit in the number. This is only the place value. As for example, I am taking for a small number, this is what 352. If I will ask, let's take one example, 352. In 352, what is the place value of 5? At which place 5 it? 5 is at tens place. Yes, what is the which place is of 3? So 3 is at 100 place. Yes, what is the place value of 3? It is what? At 100 place. And this is for 5 is 10th place. Okay. So now am I clear that what is place value? Place value is nothing. It is the value of the digit in the number. Means where is the number? Where is the digit placed in the number? Okay. So let's take another topic, that is what? Place values chart. Our next topic is place value chart. Place value chart. So for large numbers we need to study, for large number we need to study two types of number system, two types of place value system. That is what? First one is Indian place value system. Indian place value system. And second one is international place value system. Okay. In this video we will learn about Indian place value system, and in the next video we'll continue with the international place value system. So let's start the topic Indian place value system. Okay. So start the Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. First of all, let me draw the Indian place value chart. The first place is what? Ones place. Second is tens place. Third, 100. Fourth, 1000. 10,000. Lakh. 10 lakh. In your syllabus, you are having only, means till here the number you have to study, means 7 digit or 6 digit number you have to study. Okay, till these many places you have to study. Okay, so these are the places of the number. Which place? Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place and 10 lakh place. So the places are grouped together, form a period, means these three places grouped together and form one period, and that is called ones period. The second period is 1000 period, and the third period is lakhs period. Okay, so I hope you are understanding the topic. Okay, this is the place value chart. You can draw it in your rough notebook, and remember that how you will read a number from the right side of the number. Okay, by counting like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. As for example, you can take, I am taking this number because you are studying large number. This is your chapter name, so I am taking large number. This is your example I have taken. How you will read this according to Indian system? So for this, step 1 is you should place comma The first step is you should place comma after completing every period. Okay, so as we have taken this, example, you have to place comma first. You should place comma first. Write the statement. You should place comma after completing you should place comma after completing every period. Okay, so first complete the first step. Okay, where is your example? Here. How you will count the number? From ones place. This is your ones place, so start counting. Ones, tens, 100. Your this period, ones period has finished. Yes, your ones period has finished here after 100. So after 100 place comma. Okay, now we start another one, another period, that is what, 1000 and 10,000. In thousands period you are having two places, so count 1, 2 means 1000, 10,000. After this place comma. After that lakh, 10 lakh. Your period is completed and your first step is also done. Okay. Now your first step is done. What is the first step? You have to place comma first after completing every period, as we have done. Okay. Now the second step. What is the step 2? Step 2 is you have to read the number and then write the number. So how you will read the number? From the largest place. Which one is the largest place? Ones place is largest place or lakh place is largest place? Which one? Of course, lakh place is largest place. Okay. So from the lakh place, start reading. Only you have to read the number in one period. After that you have to use the name of the period. How? Like I am reading. This is what? 98. 98. Before, after comma, don't go. Don't go after comma. Okay students? Only in between the comma, what is that? 98. So 98, and it is which period? Lakh period. Which period? Lakh period. Yes. So only 98 and then write the period name. Lakh. 98 lakh. Now come to the next period. This is what? 1000 period. And what is this? 78. So 78 what? 1000. Now 957. This is the way to read the number. Again repeat with me. 98 lakh 78,957. This is the right way to read the large numbers. Okay. And how you will write? The same way you will write the number. As I am going to write in words. Okay. So what I have told you, read only the number and after that with the period. So 98 and then along with the period lakh. Right? 98 lakh. Now next is what? 70. See here, 78 and which period? 1000 period. So write 78,000. This is the period name, and then 952. See, 957. Right? 957. 57. Okay student, take one more example that you can understand nicely. Okay, again example 2 I am taking. Let's take 3, 5, 7, 0, 5, 8, 9. Okay, your first step, tell me your first step. Your first step is, firstly you have to place the comma after finishing every period. So start counting ones, tens, hundred. This is what? 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So after finishing one period, write comma. Ones, tens, hundred. One period completed, write comma. Now in 1000 period, 1000, 10,000, write comma. Now lakh, 10 lakh. No number is after 3, so don't write comma. Okay. Now the first step is done. Step 2 is reading part. So I am reading. Read along with me. I am reading. Read with me. Okay students. So what I have told you, first start with your large place. Your largest place is this 3. So start with this. What is the period? Lakh period. In lakh period, 2 places 10 lakh or lakh. So you have to read this number first, and after that you have to write the period name. This is places. Which period it is? Lakh period. This is lakh period. This is 1000 period, and this is ones period. You have to write only the period name along with the number. So what you will read? 35 lakh 70,789. Are you able to read? I hope you are able to read. Now turn for writing. How you will write the number? In words. Okay. How? As you are reading, you have to do the same process. 35, then lakh. Then write 35 lakh. Now 70. See, 70,000. 70,789. Yes, 789. Yes students, I hope you are clear. In the next video tutorial, we will continue the next place value system, that is international place value system, and we will solve some question also depend on this 2 place value system, and further the next topics also for this chapter. Okay, do hard work, do study, and be safe, stay at home. Okay students, take care.